There was a time when he believed in himself. He was not perfect, but he was brave enough to try. Then, life changed. One mistake turned into many doubts. People started to question him, and slowly, he started to question himself. He stopped speaking up. He stopped sharing ideas. He became quiet, not because he had nothing to say, but because he was afraid. Every failure made him feel smaller. Every problem made him think he was not good enough. For a long time, he waited for confidence to come back, but it never came. One day, he understood something important. Confidence does not return by waiting. It returns by action. So he decided to try again, not because he felt ready, but because he was tired of being afraid. He spoke even when his voice was weak. He tried even when he felt unsure. He failed, but he did not stop. Slowly, things changed. Confidence did not come as a strong feeling. It came as calm courage. He learned that confidence is not about winning. It is about continuing.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.